Hey, good morning.
Morning.
We're heading to Vernazza.
Vernazza,
Yeah, I'm going to go head down to the Central Plaza train station. Yes, it does. Principe, I think is what it's called. And then down to La Spezia and then up to Vernazza. So let's go. We're on the platform about 25 minutes early and the train is here, right there, but they haven't opened the doors yet, so everybody's just kind of hanging out. This is super fast, so we're going to actually go south all the way down to La Spezia and then jump on a train and go back up north only about maybe 15 minutes to go from La Spezia up to Vernazza. Yay, train. This way. 3 and 4. City right here. Yes.
That's perfect.
Nice big luggage racks. You never know which way the train is going, forward or backwards, and it might change directions as you're going. So if you got 2 or more, you can get these seats that face each other, and then somebody will always get to ride forward. We're getting glimpses of the ocean that way and hills this way. It's very cool. All right, off the train, rushing to find our next train. It's going back up to the Cinque. We got like 5 minutes to hop on this next one. All right, we made it. We think this is the right train. We'll find out before too long. Oh, it is showing there now. Okay, cool. I'm getting a little... Yeah. Oh, there we go. We got a little bit. Oh, that's pretty there. That's cool. Lots of tour groups here. The fast high-speed train. Hey, if you like videos like this one, smash that like button and subscribe, okay?